What's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And on today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing on the new iPad mini. As you guys can see right in front of me. And I've got for comparison the box sizes, because the phones are not in the boxes, of the iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, this is a long overdue refresh on Apple's iPad mini lineup. 8.3-inch display. A 15 Bionic chip that we see in the new iPhone 13 Pro and regular 13 lineup. However, Geekbench scores show that this iPad is slightly underperforming compared to the phones. Now, I don't really care about that. Day to day is what we're going to care about. But on today's video, we're going to unbox it, look at it, show it off, and I'm going to show you compared to my iPhone 13 Pro Max, just kind of put in perspective the size difference. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the 64 gigabyte variant, $499 US. I'm not sure. Yeah, so it's like the second you hold something from Apple, you're like, okay, I understand why they do what they do. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this iPad. I already have an iPad 13, I'm sorry, 11 Pro Max in the house. This is the Starlight color, which is like an offset silver. I don't know if you guys can really see that there in the camera. Like right there, it looks more of that Starlight. Right there, it looks more of that silver. So I guess it all depends on how you're going to hold it. You've got one camera module. You do have a spot here for you to connect your Apple Pencil. Nothing on the left. Bottom, you've got your speaker grills and your USB-C port, actually, believe it or not. We actually are transitioning to USB-C finally. Up top is where you're going to have your volume rocker and your power button that doubles as your fingerprint scanner. And let me zoom in a little bit here, guys. So there you go. In the hand, I like the way it feels. I like the color. I like that I can hold it in one hand. I'm not quite sure exactly how I'm going to be using I can't even speak English. But for comparison's sake, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max with a case not that thick next to the iPhone, or next to the iPad mini. Side by side and on top. There's really not much more to talk about when it comes to the device right now. I'm not going to set it up on camera. I just wanted to show it to you guys. Again, nice form factor, nice upgrades, pocketable, easy to hold with one hand if your hands are big enough. And yeah, there you have it. If you guys have any questions, any comments, anything in particular that you want me to focus on, let me know in the comment section below. I will be focusing on battery life, likes and dislikes, the usual stuff that you hear and see from me. Please stay tuned for more content as Techtober goes into full swing and full effect. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios. And do not forget to stay geeky.